I grew up in poverty and dysfunction. I'm talking about in a household that it wasn't uncommon that there was no power in the winter or the summer. I'm talking about growing up where you were getting dressed for the school picture day and you're in a bathroom with no windows in the dark. I'm talking about going to school and the teacher's wondering why you're sad, but they have no idea what you're experiencing at home. I'm talking about an environment where you saw things that you probably shouldn't have seen as a kid. And I thought I was alone in this. But I learned that I'm not alone now, and I never was alone in that because there were so many women I met in boardrooms, classrooms, as clients that experienced the same thing. We have been taught to just tamper down that trauma, to hold it down and put it in a place to never be seen again. But those things are the very things that have muted us. When you ask me, what is my superpower? My superpower is I help others unmute themselves by finding out what is the thing that they have to unbury. That thing that's buried so deep, that hurt, that pain, that shame, whatever it is that's keeping them from showing up in excellence because they have everything else, all the tools the world says that they're supposed to have. And once they have those things, they are not only able to transform their lives, but their communities, their homes, their families, and generations. My superpower is I'm a transformation architect. I help others to transform their lives for not just the betterment of themselves, but for generations to come.